Video, I'm going to walk you through how to add products to a collection in Shopify the right way. My name is Kier from Shopify, and whether you're organizing your store for the first time or restructuring your existing catalog, this tutorial will guide you step by step so your collections look clean, professional, and easy for customers to browse. To begin, head over to your Shopify dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Products and then select Collections. This is where all your product groups will live, and it's one of the most important parts of keeping your store organized. Once you're in the Collection section, go ahead and click Create Collection in the top right corner. For this example, I'm going to name my collection Winter, but you can choose any name that best fits your store. You also have the option to add a description, upload a collection image, and adjust other details that help represent your collection visually. These small touches can make your store look much more polished and appealing. Next, you'll see a section labeled Collection Type. The easiest approach is to choose Manual. This gives you full control over which products appear in the collection. It's perfect when you want to curate specific items or build seasonal or themed collections. Once everything looks good, click Save at the top. Now that the collection is created, it's time to add products. And Shopify gives you two convenient ways to do this. The first method is adding products directly from inside the collection you just created. You'll see a Browse button. Click it, and a list of your products will appear. From here, simply select any items you want to include in the collection. It's quick, straightforward, and user-friendly. The second method is especially useful if you're adding multiple products at once. Head back to the main products page. Select the products you want to add by checking the boxes next to them. Then click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose Add to Collection. From the list, select your winter collection, click Save, and Shopify will automatically place those products into that collection. And that's it. Your products are now neatly organized and ready for customers to explore. Having well-structured collections not only makes your store look professional, but also helps your visitors find what they're looking for faster, which can lead to more sales. If you're finding Shopify challenging or you want to optimize your store even further, I'm currently giving away my full Shopify course completely free. And I'll see you in the next tutorial. Happy selling!